Hi everyone, Anna Brandt here. I have been a photographer for 19 years in the newborn industry, and there are a few favorite things that I love and I really want to share them with you. Whether you're just starting out or you've been a seasoned newborn photographer for a while, make sure you have these things in your closet. All of the items that I'm showing you can be found at our store at www.bellybabywear.com, and you can also see it on the screen. The first is white noise, some type of white noise. I don't like to use the phone because I'm always worried about any harmful rays coming from the phone. Therefore, I do recommend a shusher or some type of white noise machine because that'll really calm the baby. There are two that I have. I don't think you need to have two. One is usually okay. But I do find that the fussier, more colicky babies prefer this one, and the other babies prefer this one. You're going to hear the difference in these sounds right now. Okay, so that's one. And it can get a little tiring after a while, but boy, babies really love this one. The other one has much more subtle sound, is very soothing. This is great to work with all day because after a while you don't even hear it anymore, and babies really like that soothing white noise. So I highly recommend you have at least some type of white noise machine, not your phone, and have it in the room with the baby. The second is the Bambina. I designed one for newborns and one for child, though we do use them for adults as well. You can purchase a cover with them. The cover is washable. What we use these for is to put them underneath the baby or the child's head when working on the floor. I work in a very old building and I found that the floors were very hard, and I love to work with newborns on a flat surface, but I want to protect their teeny tiny heads. I actually contacted a medical company, the same medical company that provides quite a few accessories for the newborn and neonatal world in hospitals. So they make these items for us. They're latex-free, silicone-free, and 100% safe for newborns. Kids love them because if the floor is very hard, they won't feel it underneath their head. And they work for adults too. The newborn, I use this almost every single day in session, and then the parents know that I'm being extra safe to make sure that I'm protecting the newborn's head. When you're using hard trench bowls or hard beds, you always want to make sure that you protect the baby's head. When you put this behind a newborn's head, you can't even see it. Last but not least is our diaper covers. What's interesting about our diaper covers is I started buying diaper covers about 18 years ago. I was tired of struggling with the diaper and hiding the diaper, and we didn't really have the cute props that we have now. So what I used to do was go to the Baby Gap store. Baby Gap used to have a bowl on their counter, and they would put extra diaper covers that fell off of outfits that they couldn't sell. So if they sold little girl dresses or little baby outfits that had a diaper cover and it got separated, they would put these diaper covers in a bowl and sell them for $5. I used to always go to the store and just buy as many as I could, and I would use them for sessions. They would be jean covers, black covers, white covers, and my clients were so appreciative. About 15 years ago, we started designing our own diaper covers. We had them in about 3 different materials, and we used to sell them worldwide. We stopped selling them, and then I realized a few years ago, why aren't we selling these again? And we started making them again. Now, this time what we did was we started making them in different colors. And so we have gray, white, black, pink, lavender, and blue, and you can buy them as a set or you can just buy them individually. What's great is not all parents want their babies naked the entire time. Maybe I'll do 1 or 2 naked sets, but many times, especially if they've just eaten, I want to put the diaper cover on and then I can wrap them and I don't worry about it showing through the wrap. What's also great is when you have a new diaper cover and you have these little gorgeous, tiny, beautiful white rompers, you won't even see it. Now, we know that not all babies are the same, right? We all have different skin tones. So we now have new diaper covers available in 5 different skin tones. You can buy one or you can buy a whole set. The great thing about that is it'll cover a wide range of babies, and we're pretty sure that this will handle all of the skin tones that are out there. Last but not least, we've made them bigger. So now when you have toddlers that are still in diapers or pull-ups, you can put these under their outfits. They also come in as many different colors, and it just saves you so much time. As a newborn photographer, you want to try to get it right in the camera and not spend all day and all night editing diapers or diaper covers. So why not check out these covers? You can visit my store, www.bellybabywear.com. I'm Anna Brandt, and I'll see you online.